Hello, this is Patrick from XPression, and I'd like to go over the basics of setting up an Excel spreadsheet as a data source to be used for Datalinq. What you see here is a basic Excel workbook. It's a single sheet at this point with a lot of information on it. If you look here, I've got a column for numbers, first name, last name, I got their combined names, player position, heights, weights, schools, the whole 9 yards here. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on the first field, and I'm going to drag a highlight box over. And I'm just going to get the biographical information here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in and call it Team 1. So right now that just made this into a table. It's something I can use as a separate data source. But I also have other information here. So if I come ahead and I highlight all of this, you can see that this is kind of already got a whole bunch of information in here. And this might be something my statistician or my production assistant has put together for me and has all this filled out. Now I've got this here, and you can see this has already been highlighted and created into a table called roster. Well, all I have to do now is save this, but one other thing that I have to do first, if you go up to the top on the ribbon, you choose Review, and you see an icon for Share Workbook. Make sure that the checkbox for allow changes by more than one user at the same time is checked. This allows not only your statistician to work on this, but it also allows the XPression unit and the Datalinq component access to this data at the same time. Basically, it allows more than one user to get at this workbook at any given time. Generally, it's an important thing that sometimes people will forget to do, and once you've done that and you click Save, it'll save that workbook and that function will be turned on and will continue to be on. So those are the basics of setting it up, and keep watching the video series and we'll go through how we're going to use all this at a later point in time.